Starting a piece of heavy equipment can be a nightmare if your starter is failing, especially on a cold morning when you need that Bobcat running now. This aftermarket starter 6,667,987 claims to be the reliable, budget-friendly fix for some of the most common Bobcat models out there, promising to eliminate those frustrating key turns that lead to nothing but a click. We're talking about a new aftermarket unit specifically designed to breathe life back into a huge range of machines. The 453, 553, and 653 series, plus the compact MT50, MT52, MT55, and the popular S70 skid steers. That's a wide net, which is great news for owners who are tired of hunting down expensive OEM parts. But, and this is a critical point they emphasize, you absolutely must cross-reference that 6,667,987 part number with the one currently on your machine to avoid installation headaches. Taking that extra minute to check the number saves you hours of frustration later. What does high reliability actually mean in the field? For a starter, it means consistent engagement and the ability to handle repeated cycles without burning out. This unit is engineered to deliver stable characteristics, suggesting it maintains consistent torque and speed throughout the cranking process, which is exactly what you need when you're relying on your equipment daily. It's not just about getting the engine to turn over. It's about knowing it will turn over every single time, minimizing downtime on the job site. Now, let's talk about the peace of mind, which is often the biggest differentiator for aftermarket parts. They are backing this starter up with a free repair, return, or exchange service under warranty. That's a solid commitment that shows confidence in the product quality. Even better, they promise comprehensive after-sales service and technical support. If you run into a snag during installation or usage, knowing there's a support team ready to help resolve issues promptly is a huge bonus, especially for DIY mechanics working on their own equipment. You're not just buying a part, you're buying a support system. Overall, this starter 6,667,987 presents itself as a highly practical and well-supported replacement option. It targets a massive segment of the Bobcat market with a focus on stability and reliability, and the robust warranty package makes the investment feel much safer. If your Bobcat is struggling to fire up, this aftermarket starter looks like a powerful solution to get you back to work without breaking the bank.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.